first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Today we're going to be working in a Bosch dishwasher. The problem that we are having with this dishwasher is that it's given an error code E22. Now I was doing a lot of research and I found a lot of videos about another error code, but not about the E22 error code. And I found a couple, but it was in another language or it was with other people that has accent. As you see, it's filling up with soap and it's overfilling. Sometimes the soap come out, it's water sitting in there, and when it first comes on, it runs about 5 minutes and then it gives an error code. So I found this filter very filthy with soap. Now this filter is the one who filters the water before the water gets to the drain pump. And I understood the circulation pump as well. So if this filter has a lot of soap, a dry soap on it, or anything that is blocking the water to get to the pump, the dishwasher will give you an error code E22. However, the E22 could appear due to a bad drain pump or due to a bad circulation pump. The first step will be cleaning this filter. If you find the filter very blocked with soap or debris or food or anything, you assume that it will be just the filter. So you will clean the filter very good. Try to do it in a way that you can get all the ports very clean. That way the water will be able to drain with no issues and the drain pump will not struggle to get the water out. This will be the first step. And like I said, when I pulled it out, I saw how bad it was and I assumed it was just the filter. I figured that the pump was good because when the pump starts working, it throws a lot of water on the drain line, but then a few seconds after it just throws very little, and it's because the filter is preventing the water from getting into the pump. So as you see in the video, I got a little brush and I'm just cleaning all the ports on the filter. Just take your time and do it once, do it right. If you do it with hot water, that will speed up the process because the hot water will will make the soap soft to remove. Again, just go back and forth, um, I also cleaned this part of the assembly as well, because I was getting ready to put it back in place, and I found that this grill is also filtered with soap. Not as bad as the actual filter, but the grill had a lot of soap on it, and this is just because the people, the customers, keep trying to use it, and every time they put a new load, they put soap on it, and this soap is not going anywhere. It's just sitting in place for a long time, and this is the reason why the filter and this grill gets filthy. Now I put it back together, and just find the right way to go. After you sit it the right way, you twist it counterclockwise, and it will sit in place and lock in place correctly. As you see, that's the way it works. Now I gotta tell you guys, after I finished this repair, I ran a load and it was still soap on it. I had to run about two loads, uh, 2 cycles to eliminate all the extra soap, just with water. Don't put any soap there. Run it about 2 or 3 times until you get rid of all that soap, and it will work fine. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.